Yeah, next to concept of interval, second one. Before that, first of all, I want to explain what is meant by real number line. A directed line containing real numbers. This is a straight line containing real numbers. Okay, all real numbers are there on this line. For example, we want to identify where is 2 here. We want to identify where is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, somewhere in between 0 and 1. We want exact location of 1 by 2. We need to draw the perpendicular bisector of this line segment. So this is the exact location of 1 by 2 on the number line. Okay. For example, you want root 2 on the number line, root 2. Root 2 also real number only. So do one thing. This is number line. Here 0, here 1, here 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So we want to find the root 2 on the number line. Take number line and at 0 draw a line perpendicular to given number line. With the help of a compass, identify point here, say A, so that OA equal to 1. So this is say B. OB is 1 unit, OA also 1 unit. Join AB. So this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, is right angle triangle. So hypotenuse square equals sum of squares of other two sides. So this is x. X square equal 1 square plus 1 square. X square equal 1 square plus 1 square. So x square equal to 2. X equal to root 2. So this is the length root 2. Now take compass. Take AB as radius. O as center. Draw an arc on number line. Okay. With the help of compass, take AB as radius, O as center, draw an arc on the number line. That arc intersects the number line at somewhere point C. So automatically OC nothing but root 2 now. OC nothing but AB only, no? AB and OC both are same. OC nothing but root 2. So C is the location of OC means root 2. So this is the location of root 2 on the number line. So what happened on here? 1 after 1, 2, 3, 4th. So I can say that the value of root 2 is 1.4. We want the value of root 2 more, some more decimal points. We need to zoom this area. So after zooming that, we will get 1.41, 1.414, like that. We can identify root 2 on the number line. First of all, I identified 2 on the number line. Next, I identified half on the number line. Next, I identified root 2 on the number line. Similarly, every real number you can identify on the real number line. That's why this line is called real number line. Now, A is a set of elements x such that x is a real between 2 and 5. X is a real number between 2 and 5. Means the x is a real number lies between 2 and 5, not equal to 2, not equal to 5, between 2 and 5. Means that may be 2.00001, it may be 2.00007 to up to 4.99999. But how to write it symbolically? Okay, so x is greater than 2, x is less than 5. So we can write x is greater than 2 and less than 5. We can read it as 2 less than x less than 5. Means x is a real number lies between 2 to 5. Or another way also we can write it. So symbolically this can be written as x belongs to ordered pair 2, 5. Or actually you need to read as x belongs to open interval 2, 5. Open interval 2, 5. The meaning of this notation, x belongs to open interval 2 comma 5 means x is a real number that lies between 2 to 5, not equal to 5, lies between 2 to 5. Okay. For example, another set B is given as x such that x is a real between 2 and 5 also equal to 2 and 5. So next one, x is a real number between 2 to 5 and also 2 and 5. It may be equal to 2, it may be equal to 5 and lies between 2 and 5. So x is such a real number that is greater than 2 and may be equal to 2 and less than 5 and may be equal to 5. So we can read it as 2 lesser than or equal to x lesser than or equal to 5. Means x is a real number lies between 2 to 5 and including 2 and including 5. So another way you can write it as x belongs to box 2 comma 5. Box 2 comma 5. How to read it? That is important. You can read as x belongs to closed interval 2 to 5. Closed interval 2 to 5 means if x belongs to closed interval 2 to 5 means x is a real number lies between 2 to 5 including 2 including 5. Here what happened? X belongs 2 to 5 only. X is not including 2 and not including 5. Lies between 2 to 5. So here x may be 2, x may be 5 and between 2 to 5. Okay. So this is the concept of open interval. This is the concept of closed interval. Okay. Types of intervals. Open interval, closed interval, third one semi-open or semi-closed or semi-open, closed. There are three types: open interval, closed interval, semi-open or semi-closed. This is open interval. This is example of open interval. This is closed interval. Okay. For example, x is greater than or equal to 2. X value is 2 or more than 2 and less than 5. So you can read as 2 lesser than or equal to x less than 5. Means x is a real number lies between 2 to 5 and equal to 2. So you can write this one as x belongs to closed to open 5. Closed to open 5. This belongs to semi-closed concept or semi-opened. Okay, x belongs to closed to 5 means x is a real number lies between 2 to 5 including 2 and but not include 5, excluding 5. Okay, so similarly, so 2 lesser than x lesser than 5 means x is a real number lies between 2 to 5 including 5 but not include 2. This can be written as x belongs to open to closed 5. Open bracket to closed bracket 5. We can read it as x belongs to open interval to closed interval 5. So there are three types of intervals now: open interval, closed interval, semi-open. Okay, open interval in some books they will write like this: open 2 to 5, open 2 to 5. Same meaning. X is a real number lies between 2 to 5, not equal to 2, not equal to 5. Okay, open interval, closed interval, box, closed interval. Next, semi-open, semi-close. This is the concept of intervals. Open interval, second closed interval, third one semi-open or semi-close. Okay, open interval, a less than x less than b, or you can write x belongs to open interval a comma b. Both are same. Means x is a real number lies between a to b, not equal to a, not equal to b. Closed interval, a lesser than or equal to x lesser than or equal to b. Means x is a real number lies between a to b and including a and including b. This can be written as x belongs to closed a to b. A lesser than or equal to x less than b. X is a real number lies between A to B, equal to A but not equal to B. This can be symbolically written as X belongs to closed A to open B. Or A less than X lesser than or equal to B can be written as X belongs to open A to closed B. This is important concept. Interval concept is important. Okay. So set A is given as 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B is given as 2, 3, 7, 9. Okay. We want to find A union B. Sometimes we want to find A intersection B. Sometimes we want to find A minus B. How to find union of two sets? How to find intersection of two sets? How to find the difference of two sets? Union. U stand for addition, just like add. Means all elements should write. Add means all elements. Don't add the elements. You need to write all the elements which are in both A and B. So here A union B means 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. Don't write 2, 3, 2 times there. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. All the elements which are A and B should write. That is nothing but A union B. A intersection means common elements. Common. A intersect common. See, 1 no common. 2 is common for both. 2. 3 is common for both. Only 2, 3. A intersection B means 2, 3. A intersection means the common elements which are in A and B. Okay. A minus B means from A we want to remove the element which are in B. From A we want to remove the element which are in B. 2 is there, should remove. 3 is there, should remove. Remaining elements in A is called A minus B. Only remaining elements in A. Don't bother about elements in B. In B 7 and 9 is there. Don't bother about B. So A minus B means set of elements which are in A but not in B. That is the definition. Okay students, important notation. X belongs to closed to open 3 or open 5. X belongs to closed to open 5 means X is a real number lies between 2 to 5 including 2 but not equal to 5. How to represent this on number line? Important. Draw number line. 0, here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, here 5, here 6. So what this says? Any real number between 2 to 5. 2 is included now. You need to write a thick circle at 2. 5 not included, open circle. So we need to shade. So in this way you can represent these real values of X on the number line. Okay, one more example. X belongs to open 2 to open 6 given. Represent these real numbers on the number line. So first of all take number line. Here 0, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. Open 2 to 6 means in X is a real number between 2 to 6 not equal to 2, not equal to 6. At 2 you need to write open circle. At 6 also you need to write open circle. And we need to shade between those area, between those two open circles. So the shaded region is represented by this set X belongs to 2 to 6. This is also one of the set representation only. This infinite set. For example, A is given as 1, 2 means this finite set, only 2 elements. A is equal to open bracket 1, 2 means it's not a finite set, it is infinite set. Infinitely real numbers are there between 1 to 2. Okay, infinite set. So this is the representation of infinite set. This is representation of infinite set. This is representation of infinite set. This is representation of infinite set. So open intervals also another form of a set. Okay students, one example problem. A is a set of elements X such that X belongs to closed open interval -3 to open 2. X is a real number. So set B is given as X such that X belongs to closed -4 to closed 5. X belongs to R. First one, find A union B. Second one, find A intersection B. Third one, find A minus B. These three should find now. Okay. So listen all of you. By using number line only you can find the value of A union B, A intersection B, A minus B. That only the easiest way. First of all, draw number line. Okay. Minus 4, okay. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. What is says A? A is closed minus 3, closed minus 3, closed minus 3 to open 2. To open 2. I will write like this. My yellow, my pink one is set of elements. Closed minus 3 to open 2. That is represented by set A. Next, set B, closed minus 4 to closed 5. Closed minus 4. I want to use another color. Closed minus 4. Closed means thick circle at here. To closed 5. So these values. All. Okay. Now what do you want? These values in the set A. These values are in the set B. First of all, A union B you want. A union B. X such that. So A union B means all the elements. Union means you need to combine all the elements. Minus 4 to 5. Minus 4 to 5. Okay. So what happened, Anna? X belongs to minus 4 closed to closed to 5. This is A union B. Next, A intersection by I want. Intersection means what? Common elements. Common elements. See, this area is common. This area is common for both. This area is common. That's why I can say that X belongs to closed minus 3 to open 2. This is the A intersection B. A minus B. Interesting one. A minus B. Definition saying that from the set A, we want to remove the elements which are in B. A set. Where is set A? Pink one. From this set, we want to remove the elements which are in B. So here B only bigger set means you need to remove all elements. So what happened, Anna? Empty set will get. So in this situation, in this example, so clearly, so A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B here. A is a proper subset of B. That's every element of A is in B. That's why A minus B is empty. So I will use another example. A equal to X such that X belongs to closed minus 3 to open 6. And B is equal to X such that X belongs to open minus 1 to closed 7, for example. Now you want to find again A union B, A intersection B, A minus B. First of all, draw number line. Okay. So here minus 3, here minus 1, here 6, here 7. So what says X? Minus 3 to 6. Minus 3 closed to open 6. So these values, this box means all these values from minus 3 to 6 belongs to set A. Now set B, that is closed minus 1, closed, open circle, closed circle to closed 7. This. Now we want to find A union B, A intersection B and everything. So I will write, observe here, A union B I want. Union means all elements. All elements from this is set B, this is set A. All means minus 3 to 7. Minus 3 to 7. X such that X belongs to closed minus 3 to closed 7. This is the A union B set. Okay. Next interesting thing is A intersection by I want. A intersection means common element. This area is common for both. See, observe. This area is common for both. This area is common. What is that, Nana? X such that minus 1 is there but 6 is not there. So X belongs to closed minus 1 to open 6. Close it. So this is A intersection B. Next what I want? A minus B I want. A minus B. X such that A minus means A from A. A means this set. From A I want to remove the elements which are in B. Means all these elements should I remove. All these elements should I remove. So minus 3 to minus 1 left. So minus 3 closed. Actually minus 1 is there in the set of A. So that minus 1 also there in the set of B, that should be removed. That's why this minus 1 should be removed. That's why open minus 1. So we can remove minus 1, but you can't remove the element which is left side of minus 1. That's why closed minus 1 to open minus, closed minus 3 to open minus 1 is the solution. This is for A minus B. Okay student, this example is important for us. If x belongs to open 2 to 3, then find the set containing 2x, 3x, x square minus x, x cube 1 by x. First one, what is given? X belongs to open 2 to closed 3. Or in other words, you can write this one as 2 lesser than x lesser than or equal to 3. First of all, I want 2x. 2x. Directly I want that answer 2x. Each element of this set is multiplied by 2. So A is greater than B. If C is multiplied another side, which is positive, so inequality won't alter. So just I can say that AC greater than BC. Same concept here. So I am multiplying 2. Nothing happened to the inequality because 2 is positive. So 2 into 2 lesser than x into 2 is lesser than 3 into 2, lesser than 3 into 2. That is 4 lesser than 2x lesser than or equal to 6. Means 2x lies between 4 to 6, not including 4, including 6. Or in other words, I can say that 2x belongs to open 4 to closed 6. Okay. So directly I want directly here. I want directly. So x belongs to open 2 to 3. Directly can say that 2x belongs to open 4 to closed 6. Second one. For the same problem, 3x I want. 3x. Directly 3x belongs to each element of the set is multiplied by 3 positive, nothing happened to the inequality. So open 6 to closed 9. So x square, third one, x square, interesting one. Each element of this set is raised power 2. So what happened, Anna? Open 4 to open 9, open 4 to closed 9, open 4 to belongs to open 4 to closed 9. Understood? What happened here actually? 2 lesser than x lesser than or 3. Each element of this set is squared. Means 2 square lesser than x square lesser than equal to 3 square. Nothing happened to inequality. Okay. Because all are positive. That's why 4 lesser than x less than or equal to 9. Or I can say x square belongs to open 4 to closed 9. So next one, this is first, this is second, third, first, second, third, fourth next. Minus x important, minus x you want. Means each element of the set should multiplied by minus 1. Automatically inequality will alter. Observe here. 2 less than x lesser than or equal to 3. But I want minus x. I want multiply all the side of the inequality by minus. Automatically inequality will alter. A is greater than B, then AC lesser than BC if C is negative. That's why 2 into minus 1 lesser becomes greater. X into minus 1 lesser than or equal to becomes greater than or equal to 3 into minus 1. So I can write this is minus 2 greater than minus x greater than or equal to minus 3. So important note. A greater than B greater than C, same as C less than B less than A. Both are same. A greater than B greater than C or C less than B less than A. Same. That's why I can write this one minus 3 lesser than or equal to minus x less than minus 2. Therefore, what I can write here? So minus x belongs to closed minus 3 to open minus 2. Don't confuse. So minus x completed. Next one x cube I want, x cube, fifth x cube. All the elements should be cubed, that is not big problem. So 2 to 3, all elements are cubed. 2 cube 8, open 8. Okay, 2 cube means 27, closed 27, that is x cube. So yeah, this is sixth one, important one. You should keep star marks for that. 1 by x, we know that a greater than b greater than 0, then 1 by a lesser than 1 by b. Means here what happened, Anna? So x lies between 2 to 3. So that is in the form of both are positive only, no? Directly 1 by 2. Reciprocals I want. Lesser becomes greater. Greater than 1 by x greater than or equal to 1 by 3. Or directly I can write 1 by x belongs to, first of all, 1 by 3 closed to 1 by 2 open. Okay students, next problem. X belongs to open minus 4 to minus 2 closed, or minus 4 lesser than x lesser than or equal to minus 2. This is the problem. First one, what do you want? 2x you want. I want multiply 2 on all the sides. Nothing happened in equality because 2 is a positive quantity. Minus 4 into 2 less than x into 2 lesser than or equal to minus 2 into 2, or minus 8 lesser than 2x lesser than or equal to minus 4, or I can write 2x belongs to open minus 8, open minus 8 to closed minus 4. Okay. So second one, 3x, similar manner. Just multiply 3, minus 12 is less than 3x lesser than or equal to minus 6, or 3x belongs to open minus 12 to closed minus 6. So third one is interesting, squaring, interesting thing. Squaring, negative quantities are there, squaring. So observe here, number line, here minus 4, here minus 2, here somewhere minus 3. Okay, if minus 4 is squared, it gives 16. Minus 2 is squared, it gives 4. Minus 3 squared gives 9. Okay, so infinitely many numbers are there between minus 4 to minus 2. All those should be square. Among those, minus 4 square becomes bigger one, and minus 2 square becomes smaller one. That's why directly I want to write x square belongs to 16 is bigger one. 16 not there. Minus 4 not there in this interval. It's minus 16 won't be. Minus 16 left side of minus 16 will be. So minus 2 is there. Squaring that minus to 4, 4 will be, that is 4 closed 4. So what happened here, Nana? X square belongs to closed 4 to open 16. This is somewhat interesting one. Once again listen. Number line is given. Here minus 4, minus 2. All these numbers are squared. Minus 4 squared 16. Minus 2 squared 4. 16 only greater than 4. Minus 4 not there in x. Minus 4 square won't be in x square. That's the open interval. So x square belongs to closed 4 to open 16. Okay. Next, fourth one. We need to multiply minus on another side. Inequality will alter. Minus 4 less than x lesser than or equal to minus 2. Now I want multiply minus on another side. Inequality will alter. Minus 4 into minus 1 greater than x into minus 1 greater than or equal to minus 2 into minus 1. This is 4 greater than minus x greater than or equal to 2, or in other words 2 lesser than or equal to minus x less than 4, or I can say that x belongs to closed 2 to open 4. So here you can write direct answer, x belongs to closed 2 to open 4. That is the value of minus x for this problem. Okay, yeah. Next, x cube. X cube. Just cubing only. Cubing. All these elements should be cubed. Minus 4 cube means minus 64. Minus 2 cube minus 8. Minus 64 lesser than minus 2 only on the number line. That's why x cube belongs to open minus 64 to closed minus 8. Okay. Now interesting thing is 1 by x, very important. Always 1 by x is important. Finding reciprocals. Both are negative. That is important. Both are negative. So both are negative. Reciprocal of this should be less than the reciprocal of this. 1 by x belongs to, so this is become the bigger, this becomes smaller, no? That is minus 1 by 2 closer to open minus 1 by 4. That is the 1 by x. Okay friends, next example, x belongs to open 0 to closed 9, means that 0 less than x lesser than 9. We want find 2x, directly I want write 2x belongs to open 0 to 18 closed. Next 3x open 0 to closed 27, that is not big problem. Squaring also not big problem. Direct like that 0 to 81 closed. This is interesting. Minus fifth one, fourth one, finding minus, same multiplying minus, inequality will alter. Minus 0 greater than minus x greater than or equal to minus 9, or minus 9 lesser than or equal to x less than 0. So I can write minus x belongs to closed minus 9 to open 0. Okay, next cubing, x cube, not big problem. 0 to cube of 9, 81, 9, 729 close. Yeah, this is important. You can keep several starts for this. So this is important. Some students will make mistakes in this area. So they will write 0 comma 1 by 9. What is 1 by x means? For example, x belongs to open 0 to closed 9. Find 1 by x means most of the students will write 0 comma 1 by 9. That is wrong. Okay, so what is the answer? See, observe here. 0 to 9. This number should be, we want for their reciprocals. Reciprocal of 9 is 1 by 9. Reciprocal of 8 is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 only greater than 1 by 9. Means 1 by 9 only smaller than all in reciprocals. Find reciprocals from 0 to 9. Smaller one is 1 by 9. But what you wrote here? 0 point something is smaller. Not correct. Huh? So 1 by 9 smaller. See, 1 by 9, 1 by 8, 1 by 7, 1 by 9 only smaller one. So 1 by 9 onwards will start our interval. Okay, one important thing. 1 by 9 is smaller one. So what is bigger one? That is interesting thing. 0 right side 0.1 will be. Means 1 by 10 will be. It's reciprocal 10. Oh, in our set 10 is there. But your answer 10 is not there. Open 0 to 1 by 10 is not. 10 will be. Right side of that 0.1, 0.01 will be. No? Right side of 0. Nearer to 0, 0.01. Its reciprocal, its value is 1 by 100. Its reciprocal 100. Oh, 100 will be in 1 by x. Here 1 by 100 not there. 0.001 should be in given interval. Its value is 1 by 1000. Its reciprocal 1000. 1000 will be in 1 by x. 1 lakh will be 1 by x. 1 crore will be 1 by x. Means what happened? Near right side of 0, you need to take value 0.00000 something. Its reciprocal gives bigger value. No? That means we can't find what the biggest value which is there in 1 by x. Means we can say that it is going on to plus infinity. Smaller one is 1 by 9. Bigger one value you can't find. 1 by 9, 1 by 8, 1 by 7, so on up to infinity. That's why 1 by x belongs to closed 1 by 9 to open infinity. Important note, R means what? Minus infinity to infinity. All real number from minus infinity to infinity can be represented by R. Open interval minus infinity to infinity. Because why we wrote open interval means infinity is not a number. It is showing that bigger positive real number. This showing that bigger negative real number. That's why instead of R you can write open interval minus infinity to infinity. So what happened here? X belongs to 0 to 9. The reciprocals will be from 1 by 9 to infinity. Friends, last one, fourth one, minus 10 lesser than or equal to x less than 0 given. So you want to find 2x, 3x, x square all. So first one 2x means multiplying to another side, nothing happened to inequality, minus 20 lesser than or equal to x less than 0. or 2x belongs to closed minus 22 open 0. So 3x, directly I can say 3x. Yeah, 3x belongs to closed minus 32 open 0. X square, interesting. Squaring, again I want to explain here. Here minus 10, here 0, here minus 1, minus 2, like that. 10 included, 0 excluded on the number line. These are numbers are squared. Minus 10 squared, 100. Minus 9 squared, 81. Minus 10 squared only bigger. Smaller only 0 squared. But 0 won't be, but 0 left side of 0 will be. That's why if squaring all the real numbers, what happened here? 0 less than x lesser than or equal to 100. So I can say that x square belongs to open 0 to closed 100. I think, okay. Next one is a cubing. That is not a big problem. Cubing. Directly I can write minus 1000 to 0 open. Yeah, another important 1 by x. Same problem. 1 by x. Here, see. Reciprocal of minus 10 is minus 1 by 10. Reciprocal of minus 10 is minus 1 by 9. Between these two, there will be infinitely many. Those numbers reciprocals are also written here. So on. 0. Left side of 0 minus 0.1 will be. That is 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10 will be. Its reciprocal is minus 10. Another number will be minus 0.01. Its value is minus 1 by 100. Its reciprocal is minus 100. So one more number will exist, that is 0.00001. Its value is 1 by 10,000, minus 1 by 10,000. Reciprocal is minus 10,000. Means what happened? If you take the values from closer to 0, then what happened? You can bigger negative value. That's why 1 by x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 by 10. Minus infinity to minus 1 by 10. Understood? Minus 1 by 10 only bigger one here. Minus 1 by 10 greater than minus 1 by 9. This is greater than minus 1 by 9. So on. So what happened? Minus 10 will be minus 100, minus 1000, minus 1 lakh, minus 1 crore. Like that, we can't find a minimum value of 1 by x. So that's why 1 by x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 by 10. Minus 1 by 10 closed.